Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to chat with friends on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Steam dashboard where you can see your library and various other features. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Friends and Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your friends list, showing you which of your Steam friends are currently online, offline, or in-game. This is essentially your hub for all social interactions on Steam. Next, find the friend you want to chat with from your friends list. Once you've located their name, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for interacting with that friend. From this menu, select Send Message. This action will open a new chat window specifically for you and that friend, creating a private conversation space where you can communicate directly. Now you're all set to start chatting. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a text field where you can type your messages. Click on this text field and start typing whatever you want to say to your friend. You can send quick messages, share game invites, or just catch up. The interface is straightforward and works similarly to most messaging apps, so you can send multiple messages in a row, and your friend will see them in real time if they're online. And that's it. You've successfully started a chat with your friend on Steam, making it easy to coordinate gaming sessions or just stay connected with your Steam community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.